Good morning this morning. Well, we're in Quartzite, Boondockers Bash. Everybody's here. We are hearing the highway in the distance. I believe that's Highway 95 or 10, one of the two, I'm not sure. But there's, let's go back, sorry. I'm just waking up. So there's Jimmy, Michelle, Marcia, AUSIA, Teri and Scottie, Seven, and Sue. Nope, that's not N Sue. The next one is N Sue, the second A, Class A. Chuck, Dory, Randy, Randy's girlfriend, what's her name? Jennifer. And I don't know who that is. Shoot. And of course, Rady, Chuck's Jeep, and there is, Dave is parked way in the back. We had such a good time last night. AUSIA played some music and we were dancing and sitting around by the propane fire. Randy has a fire going over there. Ed and Margie. Jeez. Oh, that's who that is. Sorry, that's Margie and Ed over there. So there's Randy, Margie, and Ed are sitting by the fire. I don't know what we're going to do today, but I know I'm going to hoe out the back of my truck. I keep saying that and taking that table off. And Marcia's awake. She's waving. Good morning. We'll catch up with you in a bit later today when I'm more awake. Sadie.
No.
Roast Sadie for dinner tonight. Just kidding. Just in case. What do you think, kid? New bed? New bed? Huh? She goes.
She shouldn't be shivering.
She's thinking, I don't think so.
She'd be warm.
Oh, she looks so comfy.
A dog
She is.
and her mama.
She's so comfy.
Get the sun. Oh, that feels good.
Lovely.
Oh, I
Lovely.
gotta look right now.
Oh, the sun feels
Sun.
Holy moly, girl!
Marcia stopped here to get firewood. And look what we have. Look at, I don't know if you can see them. We have chickens. And we have a goat over there. Actually, there's two of them. See the chickens? Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Let's go over here and say hi to the goats. Hi, guys. Well, hi. What do you think? Are you? Oh, you're photogenic. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hi, babies. Look at this one. It's so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you're so cute. Hello. I don't have anything for you. I'm sorry. Hi, babies. I know. Aw. Oh, you can really see the chickens over here. Let's see. You can get up over the fence. There they are. There they are. Hello, babies. Wow, they're fat. Oh, fat. You guys are fed well, too. I know. Bye.
Never used it. I've never even taken it out.
She's talking about a potty, folks.
This is a potty for car campers. Goes like this, and you would put a bag in here, obviously. And there's your potty.
Wow.
I've never used it, but it's there if I need it.
I thought I saw the thing on it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, Carolyn. Carolyn is leaving us today. She's packing up her little car. And I'm going to miss this very sweet lady.
Camp Strut's going away.
Yeah. And hopefully I'll get to see her again soon. Hi, Parker.
Very soon.
Good.
I'll be back.
Good. I'm glad to hear it, because we'll all miss you. We love this girl.
And I love you.
Aw.
Good day, kiddo.
Good day, sir. Scottie's working on his solar panels.
Yeah, just kind of getting these things off, and so it'll shut.
Very, very well done. This dude knows a lot.
Where?
He
there.
is closing up. We're having a nasty, nasty windstorm. And Scottie's picking up all the chairs. Oh my gosh. Dave's got his camera out. Steph, she went and got her chair. Everybody is trying to help out everybody else. Rady, he's getting his stuff all picked up. Goodness. This is crazy. I've never experienced this before either. The first time for everything. Oh my goodness. Crazy, crazy. Look at that. Uh-oh. I think I need to go be picking up stuff. My plastic bin is going for a ride there. Okay, I'll be right back. Aja wants to play now in the wind. Okay, what is Aja trying to be?
What am I?
What is Aja? Comments below. What is she?
I did it better last time.
Yes, now it's like this.
Okay, do it. No, you gotta do the all the.
Okay, what are they? Where is it? Chuck's flying a kite. Where the heck? Oh, there it is. Cool. It's a falcon or something. What type of bird is that, Chuck? Chuck, what bird is that? It's a hawk. It's a hawk. Look at that. That's so neat. I've got it zoomed in, but unfortunately when the wind takes it, it's hard to keep track of where it is. Wow. That is so neat. We got the wind for it today, that's for sure. It's crazy. Oh, birdie down. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It is day 4 that we've been here. And look at that sunrise. Isn't that beautiful? Arizona sunrises. Can't get enough of them.